With a built-in, always charged, and ready-to-rock, stylus pen, and a soothing Full HD touchscreen display, a Samsung's 2-in-1 this time. Well, of course, it's a bit more expensive than $300, but you just can't pass by without having a good eye on this one. From the world of the fifth most valuable global brand, this elegant 360-degree machine truly honors its brand's prestige. This comely Chromebook holds a 12.2 ultra eye-catchy, pen input-enabled touchscreen. Guess what? The inbuilt Samsung pen will never ask you charge me. That being said, this highly sensitive felt tip is always on and willing to make the magic happen on the screen. Do you know what display resolution you get here? Not a full HD, but classier than that. It's Wuxka IE 1920 by 1200px at 16:10 aspect ratio, not the usual 16:9, 1080p. Dual-core Intel Celeron 3965Y processor with integrated Intel HD Graphics 615 serves the processing functions of the system. 4GB RAM and 32GB eMMC partnering with the 1.5 GHz clocking processor ensures the laptop is always geared up for your everyday tasks. What's more awesome is the camera combination of this laptop, i.e. the crystal clear 13MP world-facing and 5MP front-facing camera. And finally, you have got the whole Google Age at your fingertips with the integral Chrome OS.